Welcome to Study Loop.
Problem 8.81. So we have a movie stunt here where the stuntman swings down from a ledge that's 5 meters above the ground and collides with another actor and lets go of the rope as soon as he reaches the other actor, and we're to assume that his center of mass descends the entire 5 meters here. So the first thing we want to know is what is their speed as they begin to slide across the floor right after the collision. And then if their static coefficient of friction, kinetic coefficient of friction is 0.25, how far did they slide? So first we want to figure out what the kinetic energy of the stuntman is right at the bottom of his swing. So, in order to figure out what his speed is, so his kinetic energy, 1/2 ms, we'll call him S for stuntman, S, and him V for villain, maybe? Is that good? Because we also have velocities, whatever, we'll figure it out. Also, right, we're only going to care about their combined mass and velocity anyway, but just ignore that then. Anyway, so this has to equal his gravitational potential energy, msgh. This h is our 5 meters. So start canceling things out. V, so S is going to be the square root of 2 GH. And this equals 9.90 meters per second. That doesn't really need a box, does it? We aren't done with that yet. So now with the collision, the initial momentum is the mass of the stuntman times the speed we just found, and that has to be equal to their total mass times the speed at which they start moving together. So the speed at which they start moving together is going to be the ratio of these masses times the speed the stuntman is going before the collision. And this will be 5.28 meters per second. This one we do want to box. Now B, this is entirely an energy question because we have some initial kinetic energy, 1/2 m v squared, and it needs to be equal to the work done by gravity. So the force of friction. So the force of friction is mu times the normal force, which in this case is just their weight. And then to get the work, we multiply by the distance d they travel. Cancel things out. So then d is going to be v squared over 2 mu g and this, when you put the numbers in, is 5.7 meters.